Here we go, guys. Part 2 of making canna butter, or cannamilk, sorry. I'm fucking stoned. So my timer is about to go off any second now. There it is. So as you can see, I'm still stirring away. Shut that off. Get it out of the heat. Bring it over here. Fuck that bullshit. Sit. Check this out. Take your center. Damn it. My spoon. Just have to get all that crap up. And if you're a burnout like I am and tend to forget shit, you rinse your stuff off. Right now, because you don't want to get gunk left in there. It's fucking disgusting. But yeah. Let's get back to what we do with this shit. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to go back here again. Basically what you want to do is take off your tape. Grab sure. Just kind of give it a little bit of a strain. I mean, this stuff's hot, guys, so guys, that all tied up bald bag of weed. It's a cheese goth bag of weed that used to be 15 grams, and I decarbed it for 35 minutes at 240 degrees in the oven. And then, as you know, with the milk, you keep that on a low simmer for 45 minutes to an hour, whatever works, whatever you guys got time for. Now I did 5 grams per cup, because I wanted a really, really strong batch. Per cup of milk, sorry. Test it out. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys end up trying it. If you like this video, hit like, and why don't you subscribe to the channel. Stoner moment. I forget where I was going with that, but yeah, if you like any of my videos, hit like and subscribe, but share this even. Anyways, that's how you guys make cannamilk at home. Easy, simple, simple, simple. All you need is weed, an oven, stovetop, and milk. 2% or higher. Preferably they want you to use 3.5, but I don't know, that's where I just use more weed. Anyways, peace out, guys. Like, subscribe my shit. Bye.